Spiders. Deep in the forest, you might just come across a creepy, crawly spider. Spiders can be found all over the world, from Timbuktu to Uluru. Clever spiders can make silk, which they use to spin elaborate spider webs. Spider webs are great for catching a spider's dinner. Blowing gently in the wind, unsuspecting flies get caught in the spider webs. Some spiders use venom like a snake to paralyze their prey, but most spiders are harmless to humans.
Магазин товаров для ваших любимцев. Заходите. Ссылка в описании.
The spider then wraps the fly or other prey up with silk. That way, the spider can eat the prey later. Did you know that spiders are arachnids, not insects? Insects have 6 legs, 3 body parts, and antennae, while spiders have 8 legs, 2 body parts, and no antennae. They can have up to 8 eyes too, but they still don't have very good eyesight. Daddy long legs have really long legs. And some spiders are brilliant and white. Spiders can lay up to 1,000 eggs. That's a lot of babies when they hatch.
Спасибо за просмотр. Пишите комментарии. Ставьте палец вверх. И подписывайтесь на наш канал. Желаю всем удачи.